Hey guys, it's Tony. I wanted to update you guys on my positions because it's been a pretty heavy week at work, so it's kind of been hard to make videos and stuff. I did sell some calls for RKT. I sold 4,500 calls expiring this week on Friday. I sold them for, what did I pick up? I picked up $597. I'm already up 70% on these. So tomorrow, more than likely, I'll probably buy these back and I'll sell more calls on tomorrow, more than likely at the end of the day, for expiring next week. As of right now, I did buy 5 puts. I bought a put on Roblox, put on Neo, put on Riot, put on Apxt, put on Bmbl, and a put on AMC. So I do think that as of right now, the market is going to be going down at least a little bit longer. My highest return right now is obviously Roblox. It's already up to $105, but I did buy the equity on these. Every single one is about, I spent what? Let me see, $1 grand, $2 grand, $3 grand basically on buying puts and stuff. But I did buy puts. I'm also down 15K on RKT. I'm down 1,100 on AI, and I'm down 1,100 on PLTR. I actually did end up buying a position in UWMC. I think I bought in at what is it called? I bought in like 7. I forgot what my original position was. So I bought 11,000. Then I bought market buy, market sell. I sold the full position at 18K. I think I had like a position of like 17,000. So I think I made out with only like maybe a couple $100, like $100 or a little bit more, a couple $100 of profit. I actually don't remember. I am planning on buying another 20K back of UWMC, but I do think it's gonna go back down. I do think UWMC isn't gonna stay at these prices. I do think it's gonna go all the way back down, just like the rest of the market. I will be dropping a little bit more of a TA on separate tickers. So Riot, as of right now, it's down to like $59. It closed there, but I don't want to do it right now. I think I'm going to talk about that later. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I did buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bought 6 puts, 6 different companies, total of like a 3K position, and then I'm down 15K on RKT, 1,100 on AI, or more like 1,200, and then 1,100 on PLTR. So I'll see you guys later.